Hey guys, today we're going to be going over Leet Code question number 48, rotate image. So as you see, we start out with a matrix, and then we have to rotate that image like that. So this 741 gets put on the top as 741, 369 becomes 369. Pretty much just the whole image, it gets rotated clockwise by 90 degrees. And we have to do this in place. So just another quick look at it. We start out with that input. We have to turn it into this output. So I'll start typing out the question and I'll talk about it as I go. Alright, so here is the frame of the problem. I'm just defining n being matrix length just to make our for loops look a little bit cleaner because we use the n variable in many spots. This function requires two different types of changes to the array. So we rotate the array and we flip the array. And this will become more evident as I finish out the problem, and you'll be able to see how it changes with these console logs. So here's the first change that we make to the array. First we define a variable temp, and we just save this as being kind of a temporary holder of what this value will be, so ji. So then we change matrix ji to be matrix ij, and we don't have to worry about losing this value because we have it saved as temp, and then we just turn matrix ij into the temp value that we just barely stored. Alright, so I forgot the quick if statement that I'll put in right here. And now I'll run this, and as you can see, the matrix changes from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 9. So you can kind of picture this as it being rotated diagonally across. So 7 goes up there, 4 goes up there, 8 goes right there. And now all we need to do is, so we flipped it across, and now we just need to mirror it. And then we'll be where we want to be. And we will do that mirroring functionality in this second for loop. So in this for loop right here, we have all of the functionality we need in order to flip the matrix over. So what we do is we see if j is less than n divided by 2. So we will take all of these that are on the side right there, and we would flip them over because this is n divided by 2. And then, same as before, we just change the variables in place and have a temporary variable to help us out doing that. Now I'll run it, and as you can see, this got flipped over, flipped over, flipped over. Same with this one right here. And now we will submit it, and as you can see, it's accepted across all of them. But this function is kind of slow and blocky, so I will go over a new way to do it in a quarter of the lines. And now I'll type out the new solution, and I will talk about it as I go. Alright, so here is the new solution. How it differs from the previous one is we only go through one time, and then we change these sub-matrices using pushes and shifts. So we add things to the end and pop things off the end, and we go through every single value in matrix length, and same with this one right here. And then we are able to both flip and rotate at the same time. So I'll run this. As you can see, it's accepted, and I will submit it. And it's a lot faster because we only go through the matrix one time instead of having to go through it to flip it and then mirror it. We do both of those at the same time, which is able to get us a lot faster times. So that is Leet Code question number 48, rotate image. I hope you enjoyed watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and have a good one.